What's good, Wealth Builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon put in work, Burke, and today we're talking about Dr. Dre and the fact he has to pay his ex-wife $300K a month. So let's go. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic at hand. Dr. Dre and the fact he has to pay his ex-wife $300K a month. Yep, that's right. You heard that right. Andre Romel Young, better known as Dr. Dre, and the co-founding member of NWA, has been ordered to temporarily pay his estranged wife, Nicole Young, almost $3.5 million a year in spousal support, which breaks down to almost $300,000 a month, according to reports from Page 6, The Blast, and Radar Online. Nicole Young filed to end the pair's 24-year marriage in June 2020. They have two adult children together, ages 19 and 23. The contentious divorce proceedings have included Young accusing her hip-hop mogul husband of domestic abuse, which he has denied. Young also claims that she was forced to sign a prenuptial agreement before their 1996 wedding. Whether this prenup is enforceable is a main point of contention, as Young's legal team claims Dre tore up the agreements in her presence and that Young never received a copy of the original prenup. So, what's the moral of the story? It's usually always cheaper to keep her. That's number one. Child support and alimony are the top killers of wealth. That's number two. And always sign a prenup when you are a celebrity or just wealthy as hell. Number three. So there you have it, Wealth Builders. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for Dr. Dre has to pay his ex-wife $300K a month. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.